3,300 large and small temples, and nearly 6,000 including shrines.
Oh, wow. Good.
Wait, it's her first bowl. Which one are you hoping for?
Which one I'm hoping for?
Yeah, which one are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for either this one or the one with the leaf.
The leaf is cute. What is it? Is it mochi bowl?
I got a cow. So cute. Look!
Oh, kawaii.
And it comes with a little stone.
Yeah, it says Kyoto. The stone says Kyoto.
Wait, I want more.
That's what I'm saying. People trying to collect them all.
It says what, in Kyoto?
Yeah, it says Kyoto. 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 You don't believe
10
us.
pink chillings.
They all say
Let me see.
Kyoto. That,
Oh, yeah.
Wait, is it
it's
like
a cow.
it is
You
like
know
a
me
rock?
and my figurine, right?
That's like a very good quality rock.
Yeah, I got my
Oh,
rock.
yeah, that's
She got a rock.
Nice.
You know, she couldn't take
Yeah.
one, so she got one.
For $2. Moku moku ha. They only limited 10 per person.
Other items they limited 3. Some items 1.
Really?
That's how you know.
Otherwise they would just like buy it all and resell it.
They were going crazy.
Oh, is
We
it
were
like
going
that kind of
crazy.
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a known thing?
Yeah.
You guys had heard of it before you came here?
It's
Oh,
everywhere.
really? Oh.
Open this.
It must be okay. Pop it, pop it. Maybe we have to go back to the gym so we can work our arms.
I know.
Crazy.
She's really struggling.
I'm gonna get a hammer. Oh,
Oh, oh. You gotta put it in the thing. Yeah.
Alright, we just got done eating. What are your thoughts?
It was very good. The most Japanese experience we've had eating so far, other than the place where we sat in the ground.
We walked in and it's like a middle aisle. People were standing on both sides. There's no seats. There's probably like four people on each side.
Yeah, it's one table, and then everyone sits around.
Yeah. The bowl comes, slurp, slurp, slurp. Then you leave. Our bowl was 900 each. Cash only.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
I think I prefer udon over ramen for sure.
Yeah, I definitely do now, especially with their juniors.
Yeah. Yeah, like in the front they have green onions and some, I think it was panko that you can put on top. And they also have like a selection of tempura that you can pick to put into your udon for like 150 starting each. And then there's like red pepper. You can grind your own sesame seeds. There's also soy sauce you can add to it. 10 out of 10. 5 pinkiling.
Very good.
We just found enough cash for one more bowl of udon. Leon's going back in. It's just that good. Counted our every last 100 yen coins.
And give her some 10s. 1.
Wow, thank you. It's my
2.
allowance money.
Well, those are 10 yen coins. You have 10 there, so you have 100 yen total.
Wow.
So don't spend it all in one
100
place.
yen total allowance while Leon go get his second bowl of udon. What am I gonna do?
No, you're gonna hold that for me. I'm taking that.
Oh, I'm just holding it. I'm not allowed to spend it.
Yeah, that's udon money.
Okay.
I'm talking 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 900. Here, with this, he's gonna go buy a bowl of soup. Neuterman. Remember from the thing?
No.
Yukago? The story yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
Honey,
Honey.
bring some noodles for Ki-san.
Okay, that's it then.
See you.
It's over.
Bag check. Wow. Loaded.
Oh, yeah.
This is because on August 16th, there is a Yamayaki event called Daimonji to send off ancestors, so you can see the events from anywhere. Compared to people in Tokyo and Osaka, people in Kyoto walk much slower.
と6000個近くになります。
In Kyoto, there are 3,300 large and small temples, and nearly 6,000 including shrines.
Oh, wow.
There are many temples even on the narrow streets.
It's with a fold-out thing. It's like a mat. You like pull it up.
2023, you gotta upgrade a little bit, Liam. It says peace. Satisfied. Japan is started living in 2050.
There's a switch in here so it goes off when you put it into the wall.
In case there's like a fire outage.
Fire outage.
I mean, power outage.
In case you run out of fire and you need some light. 알면 또
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done.